Hello, it's Rudiano, and welcome to another great day and the third installment of my quotes that I came up with series. Today, we're going to be looking at this quote right here, and I love it because it rhymes, but it means much more than meets the eye. Like a flower blooms under the sun's rays, art blossoms under the admirer's gaze. This quote was featured in one of my video reflections a few months back, link in the description. However, the question is, what does it all mean? Now, what this quote does not mean is that I feel like if people don't appreciate my art, there's no point in creating it. Far from it. I'm not saying that if nobody's appreciating your art, quit it. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Because there is actually intrinsic value in art. Especially for us creatives, creating art fulfills a profound need. It could be a lot of things, but for me, a big need that creating art fulfills is my need for self-expression. However, if our expressions are never met with appreciation, eventually it can shrivel and die. So I'm not really a proponent of art for art's sake. A purist who sees his art as, something really highbrow and above the pay grade of commoners. Now, I aim my art to be worthy of appreciation, worthy of recognition, because when it does hit that target, it has a profound effect. Story time. There was a time when I was creating a lot: blog posts, social media posts, videos, etc. But what I got in return was mostly crickets. My reach was not expanding. I was getting very little feedback. Most of it actually was from people who knew me but didn't get me. So very soon I got discouraged. I stopped writing, stopped posting, until a reader reached out to ask when I was going to post again. It transpired that they had been following me and appreciating my work for a while, but in the shadows. Now I knew there was one. It was worth it. Then from that reassurance, I gradually became more prolific than I've ever been. Writing a short story every month, releasing a track every month, managing not one, not two, but 3 websites, all with the power of appreciation. And I also wrote 2 books, more coming. So you see, the admirer's gaze allowed my art to grow and blossom. Without the admirer's gaze, it was about to wither and die. So just a note, if you appreciate someone's creation, someone's creativity, art, tell them, because it might be that they're on the verge of quitting, but your compliment, your encouragement might keep them creating, keep them improving. And that's a win-win situation, right? Otherwise, they might crumble under the weight of self-doubt, trolls, or even doubters that are well-meaning but misunderstanding. So there you have it.
Now, this video was sponsored by. This is where my quotes are from. Check it out. Also, next time we're gonna be looking at this quote right here. Be there or be square. Be like water, my friend. And today we're gonna be looking at this quote. This quote. Looking at the quote or the jacket. Oh, that's a blooper already. First shot, and I'm doing bloopers. Oh. We just checking the frame. What does it all mean? Yeah? Yeah? Like this? Yeah? Hello, welcome to another great day and the third installment of my series, Quotes That I Made Up. I'm gonna have to call it something else. Okay, check frame. Check frame. Yeah, I think that's okay. Hang on. I'm gonna call it the Quotes I Came Up With series. This is what I'm gonna call it. There's not much sun, is there? Goodness me. Checking the frame again because you can't see my face. I need to find somewhere I can see my face.